What got you attracted to mediation?
I think it would have to be the progression of the kind of work I do. When I started out, mediation wasn't a very big thing. Everyone who was in dispute resolution was doing litigation. Even then, arbitration wasn't a very big thing either, but most of the dispute resolution modes that we dealt with as lawyers are very contentious in nature. That was almost 15 to 18 years ago. I mean, that was the landscape. Very little in terms of emphasis on mediation. And as a liti lawyer, your job was to try and drive your cases towards hearings and trials to get the matters heard by the court. Then, of course, there were a few that went for mediation. In those days, if you do get a mediation, it would probably end up with the Singapore Mediation Centre. And the few mediation cases I had in those days proved to be very fulfilling, I would say, both for the client as well as I think for the lawyers, because it is so different from litigation in that the kind of process that we are also used to in mediation. The client's more relaxed during the course of the dispute resolution. The lawyers and the legal advisors are also more relaxed. That environment, I think, sets the stage, provides the catalyst often for clearer minds and better way process thinking for parties to arrive at a resolution. So the attraction, I think, is not difficult to find when one compares mediation and litigation or the contentious form of dispute resolution modes. So I think from the inception, I found mediation to be an attractive mode, and I think it's only a matter of progression that when the court started embracing mediation as a form, I found that whenever it was possible, I would drive cases towards mediation. So I became more and more involved in that way.
How do you see your involvement in mediation progressing?
I think it would be the same as most mediation practitioners. You start off as counsel, you do work involving disputes, assisting the client, trying to encourage them to go for mediation of their cases. And then along the way, as you pick up more skills and more knowledge about the process, you become interested in trying to be peacemaker itself. So you then progress towards being mediators, and then I suppose the progression from there is to try and spread the word, to embark on training to help others to understand the benefits of mediation, and to hopefully share some thoughts and maybe some knowledge that you've acquired in the process to others who are starting along that same journey.